Hey guys, so in this video I'll show you how to clear hashtag searches on Instagram. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. First of all, you have to open up this Instagram application and you have to make sure that your account has been logged in. After that, you simply have to click on the profile icon at the right bottom of your screen. Then you have to click on the three lines at the top bottom of your then you have to click on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen. After that, you can see the option of your activity. You have to click on this and now you have to scroll down and you can see the option of recent searches. You simply have to click on this. Now it will show you all of these searches or hashtags which you have been searched. Now if you have to clear all of these search, you simply have to click on clear all. After that, you have to again click on clear all and it will show you. Here it says that you won't be able to undo this. If you clear your search history, you may still see accounts you have searched for as suggested result. After that, you simply have to click on clear all and as you guys can see that all of the search history has been deleted. Okay, so guys, this was the easiest and quick way to delete search history on Instagram. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.